guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, I'm Kat. I apologize if the camera is shaky. I have weak noodle arms, probably because I'm so healthy. This is Mountain Dew in blood orange. I'm sitting on my porch today because it's really nice in New England. It actually feels summery. It's not cold. And you know, I wanted to put some vodka in there, but I didn't have any, so I guess I'll just have to live with the sugar rush. Anyhow, I made a wreath today, pretty simple. If you haven't watched my last couple of videos, you might not know this, but I have been giving myself prompts of what to make because I tend to run out of ideas, which is funny because the box of prompts is full of like at least 100 prompts. So I have ideas. I think more the problem is me doing them. I feel like I have too many ideas and I don't know where to start, and I overthink everything, and then I can't decide, and then I end up just not making anything. So I figured with, sorry, I gotta rest my elbow on the table. Wow, I am really weak in the arms, people. Anyways, I figured with the prompts, it kind of pushes me to do something. You know, if I pull out a random thing, it's my assignment or my mission to make that thing. So I feel like that's been helping. So I'm going to continue to do that with some breaks in between for, you know, special projects or holiday things that I come up with. But I hope you're enjoying it. And yeah, so let's go waste some talent.
Okay, let's see what the magic box has in store for us today. I was going to use scissors, but realized I don't need them. Wreath. Cool. I want to start with one of these wreath frames from Walmart. I think it's called a grapevine wreath. I don't know. It's a spoopy looking witch wreath. And I'm going to take some succulents that I got from Dollar Tree to put on there. Got pink, blue, got purple, and these little blueberries came from Walmart, as did this string of troll snots. Here's a piece of greenery I'm not going to use, and then some, what do you call them? Eucalyptus leaves from Amazon. After you behead all of your flowers, you realize that the blue ones fall apart. So you take your glue gun and stick their heads back on. That's much better. Now you glue your succulents on wherever you think they will look the most adorable. Then you realize that your green succulent also fell apart. So you take some glue and put his toupee back on. Now I'm going to separate these little blue ones, and I'm just going to hot glue them all over where I think they look cute. Now I'm pulling apart our booger strings, and I'm going to use some zip ties to attach them to the wreath frame. And this was quite a struggle to get them in place where I needed them. This is the point where I got annoyed and grabbed some pinchy grabby things to help me with the process. Oh dear. I know how to make this stay. Magic gooey goop and some more hot glue. Now I'm going to use some more zip ties to run one of these strings up the other side to look like a cute little vine. And I'm going back to the other side to add a third hangy vine. And with my last little bit of vine, I'm just sticking it into this gap here to fill it in a little bit better. Now I cut the leaves off of my eucalyptus and I'm going to glue them in at random to fill in the gaps and fill out the wreath a little bit more. I used 2 picks worth of leaves. There were 10 picks total in that bag. And then I realized that I put the leaves a little too far down and they weren't really showing. So I'm sticking some of the white berries that were on the eucalyptus picks in the back to help pop the leaves out a little bit. And once I did that, they were sticking out, so I decided to go back through and add the white berries here and there as well so that it would all blend together. After all my white berries were on, I thought I was done, but when I held the wreath up, I realized it was really crooked and it looked completely lopsided. So I'm taking some zip ties and I'm zip tying the rest of my branches onto the side that was kind of sunk in so that it's more full. And I struggled with that for a really long time, so I'm not going to show you that whole process, but I did end up zip tying on all 8 of those eucalyptus branches. Are you going into storage now? We'll see you next year? Okay, well, time to go into storage. See you later. Right, you're gonna come out now? No? Okay, bye. All right, you guys, that was it. I hope you liked this project. I kept it short and sweet this week. I'll probably be back with another mystery box prompt next week as well. Maybe the week after that I'll do my Easter stuff. Not sure yet. Gotta look at the calendar. I literally have no idea what day it is right now. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please comment down below, even if it's just to say hi or that you like my cat or you hate my cat or whatever the case may be. I like talking to you guys. I really enjoy seeing your comments. If you enjoyed my antics today, please subscribe. Please subscribe. It would really help me out. I guess that's about it. Thank you for watching me waste some talent today. Be excellent to each other.